Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future. The energy in New York City is absolutely exploding tonight.
Look at that! The spirit of 2026 has arrived, leading the way into a brand new era.
I have never seen anything like this. The biggest internet legends are about to take over the streets.
We are live from Times Square for the first ever Global TikTok Heroes Parade. The world is watching. Listen to that beat. The pulse of the internet is alive right here in the Big Apple.
It's not just a parade. It's a living, breathing feed of the year's best moments. Families from all over the globe have gathered to witness history. Pure magic in the air.
Oh my goodness, make way for the King of Chill! The giant capybara has entered the chat!
Everyone loves him. He is pulling up to the party in absolute style. Ice cream so good! The NPC float is mesmerizing the crowd with robotic precision.
Level up! The gaming community is representing loud and proud tonight!
Hide your milkshakes! The purple giant is here, and he looks thirsty for a celebration.
And yes, you are seeing that correctly. The meme that broke the internet is rolling down 7th Avenue.
The kids know exactly what time it is. Absolute chaos and joy in the streets.
Slowing it down for a moment with some cottagecore vibes. Peace, love, and giant frogs.
We are marching towards the singularity. The AI float is thinking bigger than all of us.
The precision is unmatched. Are they humans or machines? Tonight, we are all one. Defying gravity. These performers are literally floating into the new year.
Look at that sea of lights. A million stars shining bright in the concrete jungle.
The Cybercat is prowling the streets. A perfect blend of cute and terrifying.
Hold your breath. The anticipation is shaking the ground beneath our feet.
10, 9, 8. Count it down loud, New York. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2026. The future is officially here. From the city that never sleeps to everyone watching around the world, Happy New Year! Hug someone you love, we made it! What a spectacular start to the year!
Stay safe, keep dreaming, and keep scrolling. Good night, world!